Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I want to show you this animation. By the way, this animation was created by AdobeAfterEffects, so they permit me to make this short breakdown. Yeah, they provided me this file with this animation, and I want to make a little breakdown for you. The main interesting thing I want to show you. This like a screen, this display, so it named apps here, looks very beautiful. It's like rotating, yeah, very interesting visual. So I'll show you how you can make the similar animation for your own compositions. So let's have a look what we have in our composition. We can see a lot of files from Adobe Illustrator. So all this composition was made in Adobe Illustrator, but they made some things here. So as we see, for example, the coffee, we can see this steam, so just a wave warp effect, these bubbles also. So we have a box, yeah, we can see B wave, it's just scaling and decreasing opacity, so it's very also cool, interesting. But guys, if you want to make this composition or composition similar to it, you can make all of these compositions in After Effects. So I mean, it's not necessary to use only Adobe Illustrator. For example, let me show you just a quick tip for creating a character. So we see this guy, yeah. So something like this. We can just use gradient from this point to this. For example, here we will have, and just repeat after me, so it will look something like this. So let's compare just the example how you can do this character also you can add here the mask with feather. So if we make the subtract effect and add mask feather, we will also have this darkness effect, what we can see here. Also, if you want to make some depth in this circle, we can also add another one mask. I will also show you how you can create it. So just subtract and also mask feather. You can make some changings. So for example, this is the body, and you also need to make his head. So guys, this head you can do with radial gradient. You just need to make some changings. You just need to play a little bit with the colors. Also, we can make a mask also. It will be something like this. So guys, you can play with it. You just need to waste more time for it, but here is nothing special. That's just I showed you how you can make this guy. Also his hands working on the keyboard and these lines on the computer display. You can just, if you don't know how you can make it, you can do it like this. For example, create the line, let it be 10 pixels, and guys, you will just need to add the trim path. So let it be the end on the third second, the start on 0, and it will go like this. Yeah, but guys, the main interesting thing is these displays, these screens on the background. Yeah, I like it so much. And guys, for all of this you just need to create your own composition. So for this composition you need to, I will show you by the way the properties. You need to create composition. One moment. So you can see the width and height, so you can just copy these properties, for example. Yeah, and then you need to paste here your files. So when your files will be ready, you can work with it. You just leave this composition, paste it here, and guys, all you need just to select your composition, find the this is cylinder effect, and paste it on this display. So guys, the next you will just need to play with rotation. You just need to create some keyframes for it. For example, like you see on this video, from 0 to the almost to the last second, it's rotating, as you can see, full time rotating. So also guys, what we can see, also we can see the glow. Yeah, this is just the regular glow. Let's have a look if we add the deep glow. We will see. It's also looks good if we reduce the exposure. So you can work with deep glow or just regular one, so it will be also nice. Guys, if you have some questions, you can leave them in the comments below. I just want to show you the principles of this composition. This composition is pretty easy. The main and hard part of it to make the design looks good. So this lines was made just by trim pass. These boxes with coffee and the phone, just changing position and scaling. These hands also changing the position of the hands. Maybe they in 3D, but I'm not sure. Let's have a look also. Hands. No, it's not 3D, but just changing its position. And guys, if you will see there the loop out expression, I can leave it in the comments for you. So if you will need to loop something, you can make it easily. By the way, if you want it to make, for example, you just need open the position. For example, here, click on the stopwatch pressing the Alt button. So after you pasted this expression and after you changing the position from one side to another, it will work. If you will have some problems, so you can just ask me in the comments also, or direct me in Instagram. I will also attach it below. So guys, I hope you like this video, and I want to give some valuable things for you. So if you want me to show you something else, just ask me in the comments. And guys, I will be very glad if you put on this video some likes, if you will subscribe on my channel. I will also show much more interesting things in the future. Yeah, so just like, subscribes, and if you have some comments, if you have some questions, just leave them in the comments and I will give you my answer. So guys, thank you so much for the watching. Have a good day and goodbye.